Top 5 ways to get rid of cough in 5 minutes. Number 1. Gargle with salt water. When you were growing up, did you ever have someone recommend that you gargle salt water for your cough? On the surface, this seems like a silly treatment for illness. After all, we have medications and therapies that are supposed to help clear up coughs in a matter of days. As it turns out, gargling salt water may be an excellent way to get rid of a cough. In a small study from 2019, researchers found that study participants benefited greatly from saltwater treatments compared to over-the-counter medication. The reader should note, however, that these results are preliminary. While coughs stem from various causes, they are often the result of airway inflammation caused by bacteria and viruses. Therefore, salt water helps eliminate coughs by soothing these inflamed areas and returning the patient to baseline. Number 2. Perform breathing exercise. Many breathing techniques, pursed lip breathing, for example, benefit people with respiratory conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. However, even if one just has cough without any underlying chronic illness, he or she can also use these techniques to manage cough symptoms. The pursed lip breathing technique consists of taking a long, deep breath through your nose while counting to 2, then exhaling slowly with pursed lips while counting to 4. To properly purse your lips, pretend as if you are about to whistle. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Fluids can help you eliminate the nasty mucus and phlegm associated with cough while also soothing the irritating sensation in your throat. Water washes down the mucus in your throat and makes your cough more productive. Staying hydrated is always a good idea, not just when you're feeling under the weather. Our bodies need lots of fluids to complete daily maintenance tasks which keep us healthy. Number 4. Invest in a humidifier. Dry air irritates the respiratory system. For this reason, investing in a humidifier is an excellent choice. This is especially true during the evenings, as humidifiers can keep the air moist and prevent your respiratory system from drying out while you sleep. Many people enjoy the effect of adding a couple drops of essential oil to their humidifier. A bit of eucalyptus, rosemary, or mint essential oil can provide a soothing and anti-inflammatory effect. Number 5. Get rid of that cough by breathing clean, fresh air. Car exhaust, cigarette smoke, and even perfume may lead to a cough. In addition, any tiny particles present in dirty air can irritate the throat and lungs. Not to mention, prolonged exposure to impure air may also lead to devastating diagnoses such as lung cancer and COPD. As much as you can, stick to areas of fresh air that promote lung health. Walk in the woods is a great way to get some exercise and ensure you're taking in high quality oxygen rich air. How to avoid dirty air. Wear a mask when outside of the home. Avoid cigarette smoke. Purchase an air purifier. A cough is one of the first signs of disease. Therefore, having a way to keep on top of any changes when you cough can be critical, especially with the lingering threat of COVID-19. plaguing our world.